Welcome to our guide on fixing the Roblox Unexpected Error on Windows 11. We'll walk you through a step-by-step process to resolve the memory dump issue and get you back to gaming smoothly. Let's start by understanding the problem. Roblox encounters an unexpected error and crashes, capturing the memory dump. We'll diagnose the cause, adjust settings, and ensure system stability. Our first step is to adjust the system memory dump settings. Begin by accessing Advanced System Settings through the Windows key and Run command. Next, configure Startup and Recovery settings. Navigate to the Advanced tab, select Startup and Recovery, and adjust the memory dump settings to Complete Memory Dump. Now, let's modify Windows security settings. We'll adjust exploit protection settings that might interfere with Roblox, ensuring smoother gameplay. In this step, disable Control Flow Guard system-wide. Locate it in Exploit Protection settings and switch it off to prevent interference with Roblox. Customize program settings for Roblox by finding the executable file. Add it to the program settings and ensure the correct file path is selected. Disable specific protections for Roblox, including hardware-enforced stack protection and control flow guard. Override system settings to ensure optimal performance. Finally, restart your computer to apply changes. Launch Roblox and verify that the unexpected error is resolved, allowing for smooth gameplay. Here's a summary of the fixes: adjusted memory dump settings, disabled control flow guard, customized program settings, and restarted the PC to apply changes. Enjoy your error-free Roblox experience.